Okay, next is binary search and maintaining a sorted list. Again, this is a way of inserting a new number, okay, into a sorted list. Okay. Suppose we have this list, right? Y is sorted. So let's take Y. So Y is already sorted. Now we want to insert a new item in the proper sorted order. So suppose we want to add 4 to it in such a way that 4 will be inserted right there. Okay. Remember, we talked about inserting items to a list last time. So you can say L1 in Y dot insert, and then you can specify where you want to insert, and then give the value that you want to insert. But you don't want to be looking. You don't want to manually look at where you want to insert. You want to do it automatically, right? So we can use a built-in library called bisect. So this is part of Python. It is not outside of Python. So it's part of base Python, but you have to import the library, say like that. Import bisect. Okay. So once you have bisect inserted, we can use bisect what is called insort. But before that, let's understand what bisect does. There is a bisect method, okay, within bisect. Okay. So what it does is that it looks, you need to specify a number. Suppose I say 4 here. Mm-hmm. Okay, the reason I'm getting an error is I have not specified which list it should look into. I'm just saying 4, right? So that's not right. So I want it to look in Y, and then find the position for 4, okay, without disturbing the sort order. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Which is the 5th index position. Okay, that's where 4 will go without disturbing the sort order. Okay, but there is one caveat here. Okay, bisect assumes that you have done the due diligence and you're giving it an already sorted list. Okay, if you give an unsorted list to bisect, you're going to get error, because it's going to assume, bisect is going to assume that you're giving it a sorted list. Okay, so that's a very important consideration. So this tells us where that 4 should go. Okay, but we don't have to worry about that. What we need to do to insert is bisect, and we have what is called insort. So insort order. Okay, you want so bisect dot insert without disturbing the sort order the number 4. Okay, so the number 4 got inserted right there. Okay. Okay. Suppose we say bisect in sort, say, left. Okay, let's see what happens to that. So say y comma 5, right? And then print y.